What is up, guys? Today we will talk about if you guys can change the currency on stake. Well, the answer is yes. To change the currency on stake, you just have to open up the Google and search for stake. Now, after that, you just have to go to stake.com. Now, in the stake.com, you simply have to create an account if you don't have one. If you do have one, just log in. Once you're logged in, it will want you to, take you to your website according to your region. As you can see, it was the US one original. Now it wants me to take the United Kingdom one. And once I go to the UK one, you'll be able to see that I'm in the UK one and I will be able to see the British currency right here. However, if you want to see the US one, you can obviously search for stake.com/US, or you can simply search for stake.com and then simply add any of the country that you want, could be Germany or anything. Now, once you do that, it will give you the currency according to that specific region. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.